shift 100. Okay, as you can see, I'm an intern. There is a secretary. Oh, I accidentally pressed inverted. Shush. I'm an intern and then have more sanity. Yeah. Yeah, I don't have it. Bro! Wait, how do I look? Excuse me, you look like Ron from accounting. I am not Ron. No, just look at me. I am not Ron. I don't have hair. I'm bald. Probably I'm gonna go get the cockroach. Ow! What is wrong? Can you please move your crusty, musty, dusty, literal legs? Let me do what I want. No, it feels annoying. Absolutely no. Ooh. Oh my god. Let's go, patient. I'm already at one. You're so slow. Oh my god. Hurry up, while you're lightning. Okay, so I have to take the DNA sample. You're getting recorded. Stop saying out. The only thing I'm doing is probably not you. I'm not talking about you. It hurts. Stomach ache. Oh, stop stepping. I don't like this patient. Get out of my sight. That's how your mama made me. I was down. How would you know? Because it's not. That one is bad. Good. Oh, every anomaly was slouching. Yeah, whatever you say. I hope you're not slouching too. Room 2, huh? I think it's eye drops. Yep, it is eye drops. You look tired. I think you should put some eye drops on. Here, go. Girl, we trust our professionals. I wonder what I put. Get the eye drops. I'll do the copy. I didn't do anything. You did. I didn't do anything. I hate you. Look at eye drops. Eye drops. Ron from accounting. I am not eyes. You need eyes. Okay, I'll get a pair of eyes from you. Hell no, not a doctor. You do not want to be in the cutscenes, bro. Talk to her, bro. I don't know what you're talking about. That's not someone talking. I'll fix up the shutters and security for you. Also, make sure Ron's not talking to the thing. Hi, Ron, come on. Yeah, shut up. Your smell is sweet as hell. Doctor, where you going? He's going in here. No access. He went through the door. Wait, he killed. I'm the best worker. This is an anomaly. Anomaly. Ha 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 ha. Get off of me. Oh, look at the face. You look like. Oh, you look so weird. Cutscene. What the hell? Who the hell? Cutscene. Not my neighbor. You are not my neighbor. Oh, water. Right. Yo. Linda called me. Talk. Stop putting your legs on me. So I can't do anything. Why are you doing? Oh, we check empty rooms. As you can see, cardboard's cut out. And also Ron. You can also see Ron from something beside me. I just see a cardboard cut out. Freaky deaky. Just think I open all the doors, bro. What do bro need? Okay. I got the medicine. Hi, Ron. I hate you. Okay, can you look at the cameras for a while, please? Okay, look at the cameras. Okay. Go. No. Look through the security cameras. Or is it offline? Yeah, I can see the security. Wait, fix one security camera. How? Where? Fix a security camera. Which one? I don't know. Just fix it. Oh my gosh. Fisher's that one. That's happy. Okay, that guy's awesome. Hey, there's no signal on none of them. Camera fix. Stop. Oreo. Okay, can you look go. I will go and call the cardboard cutout cops on you. Take a DNA sample, and I'm gonna kill you. Who wants coffee? It'll take too long. You want coffee? I'm gonna get eye drops for the candles. Okay. I need eye drops. A soleil. Okay, girl. I want some animal hospital tips. No, you did not, bro. Yeah, we played animal hospital before. Yeah, but I didn't know about the eye drops until I saw it. Brave, we can do this. Can I kill? This thing will help me kill. I'm stalking my sister. Can you hurry the heck up? Oh my god. Are you okay? Close! I'm not giving it. Oh. It's so annoying. Oh. Look at me. Guess what was room 3. Calling me below balcony. Let's go to room 3. Okay, I'm getting it ready. Okay, so dots. Okay. Oh, what's in it? Canadian. Okay, maple syrup. That's alright. Canadian is a thing. Trust me. Yeah, I think we should like wait for it to. I'm gonna go get some eye drops. An eye drop so I don't. Wait, close the door first. Damn. Extinguish the last one. How dare you? Kill it. Now that throw these eye drops. I don't know where my eye drops are. Oh, he has a tail under the bed. Oh, he's slouching. He's still an anomaly. Kill it. Oh no, you can't taste that thing, right? He was slouching. Hi, dog. My dog. Hope the doctor dies. Who wants coffee? I'm having it. How much is yours? 74? Mine's 71, so I need it. It's not even on. Correct. Swalla-la-la-la. I'm not going to get him. I can't go in. What's that song? I need money. Okay, why is it so late? We need an extra check-in window. I don't have enough money. DNA test? We need DNA. Come on. We need 50% faster. I'll buy it. And I will buy... Barney's back! Barney died, bro. Wait, we have to accept. Don't we even talk to you? Oh, I can't. He's a serial killer. Look, I got a taser. I'll tase you, Barney, you killer. Tase. How can... I swear Dr. Harlow be doing anything about helping us. Oh, I can tase you, so you want to get tased? I thought you were around someone's house for a second. Lil bro, what do you mean? I almost got killed. Chloe Kim, that's not me. Oh, hell no! What? She's cursed. She's cursed. Animal hospital. Hi, Ron. I thought... Oh, that might have You thought I was wrong? It's crazy to trick you. Oh, my God! What? That thing's bad. Why is there an extra check-in window? Oh, no. Which one should I kill? Wait, don't ask them to leave. Just give it. Which one should I kill? Which one should I kill? This one first. The green one. Die! Okay, now I'm gonna get the coffee for that thing so I don't lose sanity. Hi! You're gonna lose sanity! Why? You need to get coffee. Bayala! Away! Please put it away! Oh my god. Oh, there's a pinky. Hi, Pink. Oh, I need to get the coffee for that. I'm here for my appointment. I'm scared. Antibiotic. No. Scalpel. Get in there. Bandage. I think bandage. Why is the bandage green? I thought it was supposed to be red. Oh yeah, I forgot. Yellow, pink, red, pink, yellow, pink, red, pink. What was that? And it's very dark. What shoots when do you red? Okay. Oh, what the? He's not human. Oh, he's an animal. What the? Nobody's human here. Dehydration, low sugar. Okay. I think we need some Hero Jackson. Hero Jackson's the new Michael Jackson. What? Hero what? Hero Jackson. That's his name. No, Michael Jackson. You better not turn into an anomaly, or else I will have to punch you. My 7 is so cool. Can I do that? Okay, so I need to get coffee. I lost it. Oh my god, there's no coffee. There's no coffee. Because we took the last coffee we gave it to up and back to there. Okay, go. Stay there. I hope you don't turn into an anomaly like the other, but that's okay, because we are good. Here's the doors. Mika, what? Roommate! Huh? Roommate. What? Surgery. I want to do surgery by myself too. Can I do it myself? Please do it. Don't look up. I've been seeing that since the other patient came in rooming. Oh my gosh. Lol. Oh, look up, bro. What's that sound? Do you hear the disgusting water? Let's cut. Can I read down first? I got tree stuff in my inventory. Then throw it! Oh. Can you not look at the IV? Let's leave the patient. Go. Listen, go do it. Okay, fine. I have tree stuff in my inventory already. Yes, I knew it. Wait, that's... That's a hard one. You want scissors. I got scissors. Why do you have medkits? I grabbed it. Transfer. I gotta transfer antibiotic. And I'll get the scalpel. Where's the scalpel? Scalpel is the same thing, Josh. Kill the patients. The thing is out! Where did it? Oh, someone's ding-donging. Oh my gosh, it's so fun. What do you want? Well, I hope you're not an anomaly. That's true. I hope you're not doing it. I hope you're not an anomaly. Look at the eyes, bro. Oh, that is an anomaly. We will check the secret. Can I see it? Oh. Oh, you don't want the little... Oh, what the... You are not allowed. Bye. There's no more chaser. No service. Oh, hell no. There's an anomaly. I do believe, bro. There's always gonna... Oh. What? I'm off the tequila. Let's just do this diet. You're here for your appointment. Just kidding. Get out. We're gonna start your phone over. Nice try, little bro. Nice try. What? No service. I'm leaving. That's angry face. Save it for Barney. Or no. Yeah, save it for Barney. Or drink it so much. What the heck? Lucy Chen. Not everything is Lucy Chen. Her name is Lucy Wakanda. And I changed it. No, it's just not Lucy Chen. Not different. Okay. But why is it so dark? Wow! I drank the coffee by accident. Wait, we have to see the camera. Okay, close for that night. Yeah, that's okay. I ain't got that much. I only have 200. I'm not buying that shit. That dude is okay. No, I'm scared. Can you check all the rooms if there is a freaky cardboard coming? No. Okay. Don't do it. Hi. Okay, guys. patient's getting dragged by the dead monster. Well, that ain't no patient. That's a monster. Monster getting dragged by monster. Yeah, it's the same thing. There's nothing. Except, let me check. Okay, there's nothing. Yeah, this is faster. This is faster. Bleeding, we need a bandage. Level 3. More people. The doctor's arriving, hurry. Put the shutters. Act like we're not here. And, close the door! Before he knows we're in here. You're the one that's on same phone. Yeah, you literally killed a patient. Wait, if you look, make sure to use the photo of the camera. Yeah, let's see if you're the one. I don't know that. He's in anomaly. Yeah, he's not an anomaly. He's a final boss anomaly, actually. That's why this out. He left us. He thought it was a weakness. Let's buy something. Let's go. Wait, what if we go inside when he goes inside? Never mind. Recover 50. Why is there coffee? I don't know. I don't know. Patient recovered. I can't read it. 50. Ooh. I want an extra check-in window. Coffee. You can have it. I need this right here, but I'm broke. I was about to buy that. I was gonna buy this. Never mind, I don't have enough for that. Okay, I'll get $49. Oh, there's a cat. That's not a cat. That's a squirrel. A squirrel? Yeah, that's good. No, it's a Tahas. Okay. I'll get this coffee for you. I thought that was for Barnaby. Barnaby. I hate Barnaby. I hate that. Oh, there's a patient on fire. Hello. Service. Is that ugly patient? I don't know. Patients are rude. Okay, can you like do that patient? What patient? Do the patient. What patient? The one that is gone. I'm grateful to save their life. I'll be swimming in roll coming. This is okay. Let me check the cameras. That's the phone. Show them the cameras. No, not yet. I need to do it first. Wait, don't do it yet. I will show them. What do you see? Okay, or should you just show them a screenshot? Yeah, screenshot it. Tell them what I see. Okay, let me just screenshot. Okay, yeah, I screenshotted it. I thought that person died though. I thought you died. I did it! I said like best sweet way. Okay guys, this is what you have to see. Yeah, I know. I accidentally opened Alexa. TK. Alexa! Okay, you saw this. Look what I saw. Look at my ghost eater. Oh, yes, wait, did it change? It was all like that. Let me see. Oh, your one's just different. This is what she saw, but her one was taller actually. Yeah, I can actually show. Let me just use it. They're not getting the wheel. They're normally well. We saved your life, you anomaly. Yes, not an anomaly. I saw the camera. That's how I met your mother. Yeah, and mother was an ugly anomaly. Let me go back. Why does the same hurt? What do you mean? But different hair. Cardboard cut. Wait, no, 2 cardboard. 3 cardboard cutouts. Sprout. There's 3 cardboard cutouts. Why is your name Midnight Sprout? There's 3 cardboard cutouts. Level 5. There's one there, and then another one beside, and then after that, one behind the door. Let's cover this room so that they don't go in. Let's write all of the cockroach infestation. Yeah, pest break. Okay, let's just charge 67. Midnight Sprout is good. The charge is 67. You look 67 to me. I don't look 67, Shush. Yeah, you're so ugly. Okay, this is good. Midnight Sprout is good. Midnight Sprout, yeah. As you can see, it's right here. Midnight Sprout. Okay, let's clean. Okay. All the room. Room 7, come in. Come to room 7, girl. I have 0 charges. Go to room 7. I don't give 2 cares. I wonder what it will look like if a cardboard cutout would be. If you're needing a gym tub. What? The stalker didn't hide. hide properly. I could see its body. What stalker? The stalker was inside here. It was standing on this thing. It didn't hide properly. I thought I couldn't see that. No, you can't look at the stalker. If you look at him, it doesn't leave his hand. Ugly slime. I hope you're not slow. I mean, you at this. I'm not new, and I hope you're not in the know. Hello? Oh, that's an ugly picture. What's her name? Chloe Finn? Her name was Chloe Finn, yo. Room 6. Yes, sir, room 6. Midnight Sprouts. I wonder why your name's like that, okay? So. Get in, bro, get in. How did you go through the door? Sayori! Okay. Okay. Oh, blue. Green. 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 Okay. It's mine! Or is that matcha? What the? Anomaly! What? Anomaly! It's an anomaly. Yeah, I saw something freaky. Hello? Don't go to that person! Medicine IV drops. Why should I not go to the person? Because it's gonna kill you. Stop. It's not an anomaly. I saw something flash. It's not an anomaly. Huh? You killed it. It was supposed to be IV. You killed it! It was IV drugs. It was supposed to be IV drugs. I took IV drugs! No, it was supposed to be eye drops. I mean, I took eye drops. I mean, IV drops. I mean, I whatever drops. Like that. Oh! Oh my gosh, I see water. There's another person. Are you deformed? Is it deformed? After it is not deformed. Okay. I don't. Oh, there's a visitor. There's a visitor. Where? Wait, but guys, I don't know what to do for my visitor. Should I just do an anomaly chasing us? No, you just take a cardboard cutout. No. Well, let me just take a picture of the cardboard cutout. I already killed the cardboard cutout first. No, I need to find a cardboard. Take a picture of the background with a cardboard cutout. That's chasing me. Okay. No. Run! It's Ron. It's my twin. Wait. Compare me. We look so different. The same. Wait, can you take a screenshot? Yeah, I'll show them what I look like. Okay, guys, this is what I look like with Ron. Yeah, he looks cool. Get off of mine! Get off. Can I kill you both? No, it's my twin brother. Oh, see? Can I kill him? Top secrets. I can't kill him. He's special, I guess. You better not fix me. Can you die? Run from accounting. That's such a beautiful name. I got room 2. I'm on fire. Who's on fire? Nothing. I'm coming. You, why you stay right there? I'm on fire. I want to check your recitation, please. Wow. Poor drama twin brother. It's gonna be hard to find twin. Okay. I can't. What's his name? Ron from accounting. I guess that's his name. What do you need? Tired eyes? What do you need? Fever, thermometer. Thermo. He doesn't need to go to a hospital if he only has a fever. Yeah, this is a hospital, not a clinic. Okay, I'm scared. There's another person. I have other things to do, you know? I hope it's not an anomaly, you know? Is it deformed or anything? I don't know, should I chase it? Yeah, okay. Looks kind of ugly, though. You can buy this up. Okay, no. Okay, let me put that microphone on. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yep, it's on. Help, I'm stuck. How are you? I'm stuck! What do you mean? What? I was like climbing. And you know what to do this. What? You're not stuck, you guys. No, look on top of me. Yo, I was like, no, you're not. Look on top of me. Look on top. What? Whoa, how to do that? I don't know. Get off. I can't. I'm scared. I think let's kill Daisy Black. Well, you're not Daisy anymore. Daisy bitch. Daisy bitch, get it? Okay, Daisy Black. Wait, why do you have a black in your name? Maybe because her but I have some. Or maybe because her eyes are black. Shut up. there's any anomalies. What's my chat on? Wait, what the hell is that? Freaky deaky. Is that a freaky deaky? You mean chaos and cardboard cutouts? Yeah, where's the chaos cardboard? Chaos, we found you, but cardboard cutouts. Cardboard cutouts are no one here. You still recovering? Goodbye. Okay. Did not do anything. What's taking so long? Is this your twin, bro? Hi, Ron. He's deformed! I saw the stalker. This thing's deformed! Look. No, I don't look myself. Look! Look at myself! It changed its clothes. Mine changed too. Mine changed. No. Mine is deformed. You would change again. Yeah. Why is it walking like that? That's disgusting. It's so freaky, bro. Open the service. Hello, my name is Luna Whiskers. No, it's not Luna Whiskers. What's your name, Duty? I'm Jennifer Maya Park. I think her name will be Midnight. Or Luna. I'm guessing her name will be Luna Whiskers. I printed the badge already. Her name is Luna Whiskers. No. No. What? Coffee. Save that for Barnaby. Barnaby is not. Ratu! What? Ratu. The cutie! Hi, Ratu. He's never an anomaly, so you can let small hat that says that. He's never an anomaly, so you can obviously. I hear things. Oh, look at him. Look at me. That's scary. I hear things. I see things. It's a dangerous job. Okay, sorry, Ratu. Wait, what the? Oh, that's why I see. Can we retake that? He looks kind of weird. Question mark. Thanks. Oh, you what? What the? Are you twitching or something? Okay, anyways. Let's go, Ratu. So, Ratu, oh, how's your day? Oh. Are you okay? I don't even know I was like, what was that? Let's give it all in order. Yes, I did. The doctor is alive here. Alive. The ambulance! No, the ambulance, bro. Okay. There's always one or more anomalies at the attack. Bye-bye, Ratu. We close the door. You're running like it's your problem. Lord, that one's nice. 500 lives. Lord, give me that. Dale, you. He got it for his Ratu. You go do the other, let me do it. Patient, please. He took the dookie off the bed. Dude, you know what happened? The bed master took me as a patient. He took the dookie on the bed. The bed master took me as a patient. I was holding the patient and the monster took out. Onto 10. Okay. Oh, look at that. Guys, critical patient in room what? I can't see that. I can't see anything in room what? What room? Oh, this one's a critical patient. Only has 25 seconds to live. Oh. Too bad, too sad. We're about to do surgery. I'll do that later. Let's go. Wait, rush. rush, don't rush, don't rush. Don't rush! I need to go too! Thermo, ivory drops, and maple. Wait, don't do it yet, Thermo. Oh, sheesh, wrong. It's countdown. Hurry up! I'm doing it! I need to do it too! Hurry up, I'm going to the room. I'm coming! Wait, don't do it yet. It's already started! I know! Don't do it yet, I'm coming! Oh, there's a cardboard cutout! Where? It's stalking us! Where is it? Where? Scissors? Oh! Get the scissors, please. I'm trying. I got the antibiotics. I don't get the scissors. Okay, wait, I need this for the camera. I got it. Come here, bro. Boom! The fire extinguisher. Fire lol. Okay, I'm gonna do room. Okay, after 10 shifts, I'm finally gonna do 10. After 10 shifts, are you serious? Yes. We have to. Oh, it's in the office! Wait, what? It's in the office. Let's look up there. I need coffee. Can I have coffee? Okay, I'll just grab it. Okay. I don't like you. I can see it. Let's see what's wrong. I can see it. We can look at it from outside. What? What? There's an anomaly. We treated it. Oh, it's coming for me. Anomaly? It's coming for us. That one is coming for us. I barely have any sanity help. I only have 74. Oh, I already looked up for the icon tag. Oh my god, you're stupid. Hey, coffee. The doctor arrived and there's gonna be a magic after him too. Oh god. Fainted people go to the rubbish bins. Can't wait for that to drop. He's only for now. There'll be another emergency. Yeah, and he's not helping. More ambulances will come. Be prepared. Seriously, I only have 23 sanity. Bonus. Critical. Show me the teddy bear. Why? Oh my god, barely have it. It's for 700! I still take a number. Yeah, okay. Faster computers can buy that, right? I only have 100. Anomaly. Whatever. I want the teddy bear. We have to like check in the windows. We have to. So I go like try and buy something. Oh, it is barely anything. Hello. After doing this, I'm gonna. If I get the eye drops. No, we get the fight. No, I don't. Oh boy, dude, it's getting toasted. We know what's in here. Wait, how did the fire start anyway? I think Dr. Harold did this. Hey, look at me. You see this in my hand? Huh? You have a little cheesecake. Oh, what you want? How do I look cheesecake? You look like this. Let's see, I'm showing you another stick. I'm doing crafty like I give 2 dams. Pin the badge. It's a Raptors. 1 camera down. You can fix that. I'm not. Hey, the lobby! Okay, I'll just do the lobby cover. Thank you. And the room. Raptors in room 2, so you can go to room 2. The other one's in room 3, so yeah. I swear, it's cardboard cutout be going in here. I'll go quick. Carol Jackson. There is 2 people. Why? What Carol Jackson? Somebody do that camera. Okay, I'll do the camera, but I'm waiting for it. It's one of the medical rooms. Lobby, no signal. What? I did. Never mind. I'll do it. I really like just did this. I have to so small. They're all good. Yes, you do. After you feel so much better now. Now we have to do room 4. Sorry. Yeah, these are all good. Room A and room 1. Wait, we'll do room 1 first. It's clearly... For what? Nothing. Oh, hell no. Run! Get out! Get out! Oh, this is why it said I'm coming. It said I'm coming because of that. Don't hit run from the country. No wonder why I said I'm coming. Go do the surgery. Or you should do that. Me? Go do it. I need sanity show first. Oh. So annoying. I'm getting tired of waiting. Fever. Canadian and lotion. 2 maples and 1 salad. Can't you just... Pop, pop. I'm doing it. And then the other one, transfer to the transfer load space. Why did you do that? I just got it. Okay, whatever, let's just... Oh my god. Bye guys. And where did you go?